This is either a mistake or the best thing Higgsfield has ever done. Every new user gets a full 24 hours of free, unlimited access to Higgsfield's top models, video, image, and audio models. And yes, Seedance 2.0 is included, which is the part that actually made me stop what I was doing. But you only get one free day, so you need to know exactly where to start. In this video, I'll create a new account, walk you through the complete Higgsfield AI workflow, and test several models to see how much we can create in 24 hours. Everything you're seeing right now was made during that free access period. Let's get into it. First, let's get you an account, then we'll start generating. I've put the Higgsfield link in the description. Click that and it brings you right here. From here, hit sign up. I'm going with Google because it's the fastest way in, but just make sure it's an email you haven't used on Higgsfield before. This is new users only, so an old account won't get you the free access. And we're in. The account is ready. Now head over to the pricing page, and there it is, the unlimited plan. That's the one. Now, before you click it, just so you know exactly what you're signing up for, you're getting 24 hours free. It's not permanent. If you try it and decide it isn't for you, cancel before the first 24 hours end. Otherwise, it will automatically renew as a paid subscription. Now click Get Free Trial. As you can see, the amount due today is $0, and that's it. The entire sign-up process took about a minute. Now the unlimited access is active for the next 24 hours, and instead of just testing one tool, I'm going to create images, videos, and audio using several of Higgsfield's top models. Let's start with images. Head over to Images, and from the drop-down, click Create Image. Down here is where you describe the image you want to create, and this menu lets you choose your image model. Now, I do affiliate marketing on Pinterest, and my audience is mostly women in the beauty and makeup space. So everything I make today is going to be stuff I can actually post and use to promote products. Real work, not just pretty pictures. For this first test, I'll select one of my favorite models, GPT Image 2. So what I'm making here is a makeup analysis guide. One of those tall, magazine-style beauty infographics you see all over Pinterest. It uses a portrait to suggest suitable shades, products, and beauty tips in a personalized infographic. And from here, I'll choose the 9:16 format, since that's the size Pinterest wants. Let's generate it and see how GPT Image 2 handles the prompt. Okay, that's actually really good. The typography is clean and legible, which is where most models fall apart on an infographic. Undertone, contrast, best shades, the dotted callouts, all laid out properly, not scattered. And it kept her face consistent across all 5. That's the hard part. But I'm not stopping at one image. That's the whole point of today. It's unlimited, so I'm not making one thing, I'm making a lot. And that's exactly what I need. I do affiliate marketing, so it's a numbers game. The more I post, the more I test, the more that actually works. Normally that's the expensive part. Today it costs me nothing. So let's do another one. Switching to Nano Banana Pro this time. I picked it because it handles text really well. And what I'm about to make is basically all text. This one's a glowing skin routine infographic. What you need, the steps laid out one by one, little info badges around it, clean editorial layout. It's the kind of pin people save and actually come back to. Let's run it. Okay, this actually came out really clean. It gave me the full glowing skin routine, listed everything you need, and organized all 6 steps in the right order. The text is readable, the product visuals look good, and the soft colors totally fit the skincare vibe. Honestly, this looks ready for Pinterest. I just double-checked the skincare advice before posting, but visually, this is a solid result. So that's our second image, and Nano Banana Pro handled the infographic really well. But let's test one more image model before moving on to video. This time, I'm switching to Seedream 5.0 Pro, one of Higgsfield's top models for photorealistic images. Instead of making another infographic, I'm creating an original luxury beauty editorial portrait. It'll feature the same woman across 3 cinematic panels, with natural skin texture, warm golden lighting, and close-up beauty shots. This kind of image could work really well for beauty content, Pinterest posts, or affiliate marketing. Okay, yeah, this looks insanely realistic. The skin texture, the eye detail, and the golden light coming through the blinds all look so good. And it kept the same woman consistent across all 3 shots, which is usually where AI can mess things up. This genuinely looks like a luxury beauty campaign. Seedream 5.0 Pro absolutely nailed this one. And yeah, I just kept going. I created all these different images using Higgsfield's top image models, and I haven't paid anything up front. That's a serious amount of content created in one sitting. But images aren't why people are here. Let's do the one everyone actually wants to see. Seedance 2.0. On the left, you'll see the control panel. This is where you set everything up before generating. First, choose your preferred duration. Then select your aspect ratio. I'm going with widescreen for this one. Now, this part matters, so pay attention. Some settings aren't eligible for unlimited generation. Adjust the quality setting until the unlimited option appears and then turn it on. Now that unlimited generation is enabled, we need a prompt. I'm creating an original beauty commercial that I could use for YouTube, so I wrote a detailed prompt covering the subject, action, lighting, camera movement, and overall style. I'm not revealing the concept yet. I want you to see the result first. Let's hit generate. By the way, a lot of you have asked how I create prompts like this. If you want a full video showing my process from beginning to end, comment tutorial below and I'll make one. All right, the video is ready. Watch this.
My time, my look.
Wait, wow, this came out way better than I expected. The dramatic camera movement, the lighting, and the makeup details look incredible. This genuinely feels like a high-end beauty commercial. I really like this version, but I want to see another variation with the same prompt and style. Since unlimited generation is enabled, I can simply hit generate again. And here's the second version.
My time, my look.
Okay, this is exactly why generating variations is so useful. It kept the same concept and overall style, but gave me a completely different version to compare. But you're not limited to widescreen videos. You can also create vertical content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or product campaigns. You can even upload an original or authorized product image and ask Seedance 2.0 to build a video around it. For this example, I'm using this lipstick. And there it is, the product reference has been added. Now I'll change the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for vertical social media content. For the prompt, I'm describing a UGC-style beauty video featuring a creator demonstrating and promoting the lipstick. Seedance will use the uploaded product image as its visual reference, helping keep the product recognizable throughout the video. Alright, the video is ready. Watch this.
Okay, what is this packaging though? That red is so... Yeah, that's the one. Guerlain really said, don't talk to me. And what?
Okay, wait, this actually feels real. It has that raw, natural UGC style, like she genuinely picked up the lipstick, tried it on, and shared her honest reaction with the camera. The movement doesn't feel overly staged, and it kept the product recognizable throughout the video. At this point, we've tested 3 image models and created multiple videos with Seedance 2.0. And since unlimited generation is active, don't stop after one result. Use the free access period to test different concepts, generate variations, and build a full content library while you can. But before we finish, there's one more thing I want to show you. Higgsfield isn't limited to visuals. It also includes audio models. As you can see, there are several audio models available here. For this test, I'm choosing Seed Audio 1.0. Here, you can describe the type of voice and audio you want to create. Depending on the available settings, you can also select a voice that fits your project. I want something completely different from the beauty content. A tense cinematic scene featuring 2 characters, dramatic sound design, and background music. Alright, it's ready, and I honestly don't know what to expect. Let's hear it.
Tell me the engines are still responding.
The engines are gone. We have 90 seconds before the core collapses.
Then open the escape bay.
There's only one capsule left.
I know.
No. We're leaving together.
Okay, that was seriously good. The voices, music, and sound effects made it feel like a real movie scene. And yeah, we made that with Seed Audio 1.0 during the same free 24-hour access. I could keep going, but this video would never end. Now it's your turn. Use this free day to create something useful. UGC videos, affiliate content, product visuals, whatever works for you. My link and all the prompts are in the description. Try it out and let me know what you make. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next one.